Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can change your password on the Facebook business page. In order to do so, let's check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension to your Chrome browser. You'll find an icon here at the bottom right-hand corner. You click on that and Cider will open up. If you click on this little icon here, then you can see this in full page. So we're going to go ahead and head over to Cider here. We're going to find out how we're going to change our password on the Facebook business page. According to Cider, changing the password for your Facebook business page involves a few steps. Here's a concise guide on how to do it. First off, you're going to want to log into Facebook, go to the Facebook website, log into your personal account that has admin access to the business page. So you're going to want to make sure that you have a business page. Click on the menu icon, the grid of squares in the upper right corner. Select business settings. In the left sidebar, select people. You will see a list of users associated with your business page. If you want to change the password for your personal account used to manage the business page, go to your Facebook account settings. Click on the down arrow in the top right hand corner, select settings and privacy, then settings, go to the security and login section. In the change password section, enter your current password and the new password you want to use. Click save changes. If you are managing Business Suite, if you're using the Facebook Business Suite, you can also change your password by navigating to settings in the Business Suite. Look for the security section, then follow the prompts to update your password. Ensure your new password is strong. Combine uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. If you haven't done so already, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security on your account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find links to our top AI tool recommendations, as well as Cider AI. If you want to take advantage of Cider, it is a fantastic tool giving you the power of AI at your fingertips at any time. It integrates into your Chrome browser and it is well worth it. Go ahead and click on that link to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.